Hi, my name is Justin, and welcome to Newton's 3 Laws in Lacrosse. In this video, we're going to be showing you how Newton's 3 Laws relate to lacrosse. Newton's first law says an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by the outside force. This is the law of inertia. So, when I throw this ball at the net, the outside forces reacting on it is gravity, air resistance, and the neck. So it'll keep moving until it hits either one of those forces. Newton's second law states the more force behind an object, the more acceleration an object will have. So if I throw this ball softly at the net like so, it's not going to have that much acceleration. But if I throw this ball at the hard like so, it's going to have a lot more acceleration because it has more force.
Gotta keep them separated.
Newton's third law states for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So when I throw this ball at the net, the momentum behind the ball will transfer to the net and make the net move in equal reaction. So because the ball had a certain amount of force and hit the net, that same amount of force transferred to the net and made the net move.
Did you know that Newton's laws aren't the only things that are involved in lacrosse? There's a lot of energy, projectiles, and more. Let me show you. Lacrosse can relate to energy because when you swing the lacrosse stick, some of the energy of the stick is transferred to sound energy. So because some of the energy is somewhere else, the stick isn't moving that fast. Whenever I pass the ball moves in an arc. It goes up, then gravity pulls it down like this. You know that velocity is also in lacrosse? If you take the distance and divide it by the time it takes to reach the distance, you can find the velocity. And once you found the velocity, you can take the final velocity and subtract it by the initial velocity, then divide it by the same time in between the velocities to find the acceleration of the ball. There's states of matter in lacrosse. The ball is solid, your helmet is solid, and even the goal is solid. Lastly, everything in lacrosse is made up of an element. For example, the rubber lacrosse ball is made of a compound of carbon and hydrogen. I know this is a compound because it combines two elements through a chemical reaction.